Deep inside one of the world's most advanced bird farms, thousands of stunning yellow cockatiel birds are raised with the help of smart technology and automated feeding systems.
Welcome to our yellow cockatiel pad. Today, I'll show you exactly how these beautiful birds are raised, from feeding and breeding to smart monitoring.
Clear path to quarantine sector 3. Acknowledged. Containers secured.
Every yellow cockatiel bird is carefully observed to ensure proper care and healthy development.
Take a look at the activity in Aviary 7.
The male is showing strong nesting behavior.
Advanced care and monitoring help maintain a healthy breeding environment for yellow cockatiel, Lutino, birds.
Smart technology helps farmers maintain the perfect environment for every yellow cockatiel bird. Every yellow cockatiel egg is carefully monitored to create the best conditions for healthy development.
Early care is essential for strong and healthy yellow cockatiel Lutino development.
They seem very active today, especially the group by the ropes.
Agreed. The socialization scores are excellent for this group.
Goals. Healthy environments help yellow cockatiel Lutino birds develop naturally and safely.
Advanced nutrition planning helps maintain the health, energy, and vibrant appearance of every yellow cockatiel bird.
Regular health monitoring ensures every yellow cockatiel bird receives proper care.
R5 clearly shows the behavioral changes before the outbreak, and the thermal scan confirms the elevated stress levels across the sector. Look at the pairing in Aviary 7. They seem to be bonding well. We should update the screen. The activity in Aviary 7 is slightly elevated. Check the environmental controls.
Adjusting the automated feed distribution now. Levels stabilizing.
The temperature spike is abnormal. Adjusting environmental controls now.
Look at the efficiency of this feeding system.
It's incredible how they use the data to optimize the breeding.
Look how yellow they are, Mama.
Yes, the screen says these Lutinos are very social birds.
This centralized system allows us to track biometric data in real time, ensuring the well-being of the raptors in our care. From advanced technology to expert care, every step creates a better environment for yellow cockatiel tanks.
And that's how a massive yellow cockatiel Lutino mega farm operates. From careful feeding and breeding to smart monitoring and professional